Hi, I'm Harri Palahemo, CEO of Codeorient Limited. This is Piggybacky, our crowdsourced delivery service. Simply, people can deliver goods to each other along their way and get paid for it. This all saves time, money, and the environment. This is how it works. Customer places a delivery order, our smart service finds the best time and driver approves, transport takes place, goods are received and acknowledged. The customer pays to our service and we pay the driver and take a fee for that. We start with a B2C model, but our main target is in B2B. We make happier customers for retailers, cities, and internet marketplaces. Check the rest of this out by yourself, and I'll elaborate at Slush when we meet. This is who we are. We have some tens of years of relevant technology experience, and even millions of existing application downloads under our belt. This is how our beta version of the service works. I've added 2 locations, my home and my friend's address. And now I've placed an offer for delivery. From my friend's place to my home, let's say starting tomorrow, and the deal has to be closed in 2 days. I'm available in the evening, size of the package is mid-size, and I'll pay 10 euros for the delivery, and the offer is there. If I would like to deliver something for someone else, these are existing offers. Okay, matches my preferences, I'll accept and deliver to someone else. This is how easy it is. I'm happy to see you at Slush. There's much more than meets the eye here.